Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your phone to your bank account without visiting the bank. If today be your first time on this channel, please subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell so anytime I make a wonderful video like this, you will get. I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. So you go to your dialer, you dial *365#, then you send. In this, you choose the SIM you used for your mobile money. Okay, Koba 365 any day. The first one says send money, the second one airtime and data, the third one TV utilities, and then the fourth one insurance and pension, the fifth one credit tech, and then the so you select one. You want to send money, so you select one. Okay, money transfer to bank, to wallet, and then the hash back, and then the zero menu. So you select one. You want to transfer to your bank, so you select option 1, then you send. Select one and send. Okay, money transfer to bank. Select bank's first letter. Okay, A to D, and then the E to F, and then the G to R, and then the S to Z. So maybe if your bank fall under A to D, okay, let me select the one and see those banks. Okay, the A to D is ABSA, Access, ADB, Airtel, Tigo, ARB, APES, Bank of Africa, BOG, Bank of Ghana, and then the CBG, and then the Deluxe, and then the hash back, and then the zero menu. So maybe if your bank fall under this, you select. So I'll go back by selecting option hash. Okay, let me select the E to F by selecting option 2. Then I'll send and see those banks that fall under E to F. Okay, EcoBank and Transact, and then the Fidelity, FAB, FBN. Okay, I'll select hash and then go back. Okay, let me select the option 3, G to R, and see those banks that fall under that. Okay, the G to R is GBC, GCB, GHL Bank, GT Bank, MTN, NIB, Opportunity International, and then the Prudential, and then the Republic. Yeah, my bank is GT Bank, so I'll select option 3. Then I'll send GT Bank, option 3. Then yeah, I want to transfer to GT Bank, so I'll select option 3. Then I'll send. Okay, funds transfer to GT Bank. Enter account number. Okay, this sense you have to enter your bank account number, but it is I'm using this video for tutorial video, so I won't send any money. So I want to teach you if you want to send to a bank account. Okay, so if today be your first time, please subscribe. If any comments, please feel free to drop down below so that I'll find solution to that. Thanks for your watching. See you in the next video.